Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So as a new consultant, I know there's a lot to think about. There's a lot to look at. But one area that you really, well, actually two areas that you really should look at is, so when you guys log in, make sure to always check out the main sort of hub here, okay? Especially the left-hand side, because this will tell you guys if things are sold out, if things are almost sold out, or sort of what's happening. I actually like to copy and paste these into my group on Facebook. So then that way customers can see that things do sell out. So if they want something, like order it now, okay? Plus, this will also help to show you guys what's coming up and pretty much all of that. So this is a must-have too. But the second thing is click on these three lines under business tools. And then click on new consultant, start here. Go one by one, honestly, like save them to your computer, iPad, whatever. But these are really good to look at. Definitely check out the compensation plan, because this will kind of help to challenge you and get excited about, oh, well, what happens if I sell this much? When do I start to make commission on my teammates? Like, how many teammates do I have to have? That kind of thing. So definitely check that out. Another thing would be definitely to look at if you have just signed on your first 3 months, you will get even more the more you sell, so the more cooking classes you have, plus if you sign up people under your team. So I would definitely like print this, save it somewhere, because it's just sort of a nice challenge to really try to do for yourself. And definitely the new consultant workbook. This is where, I don't know, it's just kind of nice to write things down. Like, it's just sort of nice to keep track of things, to get organized, to sort of know what to do next. So I do like this a lot. What else did I want to show you guys? I mean, there's a lot here, absolutely, but just sort of look through everything. If you guys look under the business kit list, I save this on my computer, iPad, and cell phone, because it will happen often where a customer or a potential customer will send you a message and say, so what is in the business kit? You don't want to say, oh shoot, I'm not sure, let me just log in tomorrow and send that to you. If they're asking what is in the business kit, they want to know now because they're excited. So save this, so then that way you can send it to them. In fact, I'm going to save this to my Facebook group for my teammates, like just so they can see everything too. The business kit does change every 3 to 4 months or so. So it might actually be changing again soon, because it is the end of April and this was from January. So, but still save this because customers will want to know. Plus, I like to post this in my customer group anyway, like once a month, to just sort of remind people, like, hey, if you guys want to sign up, if you want to make some money, 25% commission minimum, this is what you get in your kit. Even if you don't want to like sell, this kit is totally worth it. So check those out, you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. I am so happy to help, and I will see you guys in the next one.